So, yes, the access to fresh water does vary across place and time, and also depends on the seasonal and annual levels of precipitation, but it is not specific solely to desert areas. As a matter of fact, most of the water scarcity in India in recent times is attributed to unequal access, overexploitation, and unregulated use. Overpopulation. One of the major causes promoting water scarcity is the unregulated growth of population in our major cities. This creates consequent demand for water, not only for drinking purposes, but also for the production of adequate food. Irrigation. Demand for greater food production, in turn, encourages overexploitation of water as efforts are made to bring larger tracts of dry land under irrigation, as well as to promote multiple cropping. This is ensured by drilling into limited reserves of groundwater, by means of personally owned wells and tube wells, which sooner or later result in water-stressed conditions. Urbanization. Cities tend to hold more people than towns and villages, and hence need more water to address the issues of sewage, manufacturing, construction, and cleaning. Industrialization. The people living in cities are employed in the secondary sector. With the growth in industries owned by multinational corporations, there is an increase in pressure on the existing freshwater sources. Also, these industries depend on hydroelectric power sources, for which dams are constructed, by diverting the original flow of the water and thus resulting in water deficit in certain regions. Climate change. Climate change is one of the most important factors responsible for altering patterns of weather and water around the world, causing shortage and drought-like situations in some regions, while floods in others. Apart from quantitative availability, water scarcity can also occur due to bad quality of water. This may occur due to pollution of freshwater sources in regions having ample water supply by industrial, agricultural, and domestic wastes. Hence, the conservation and proper management of water resources is a must for ensuring normal flow of everyday activities and prevention of major health hazards. Summary. Water scarcity is the lack of access to sufficient quantities of clean water resources to meet the freshwater requirements for a particular region for a considerable period of time. Most of the water scarcity in India in recent times is attributed to unequal access, overexploitation, and unregulated use.